Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinity CAD, and in today's tutorial we will learn about how to create this component in Solidworks. So let's get started. Now let's see this diagram first. From this diagram you can see that there are two triangles with one face will be a flat face. At the base of this triangle there is one rectangle whose dimensions will be 50 by 20 mm. The height of this triangle will be 70 mm. So let's see how to create it. So first of all, let's select top plane, sketch. Let's draw one center rectangle, give a center point, give dimensions of 20 by 50 mm. Select OK. Let's give some dimensions to it. OK. Our rectangle is now created. So let's select features. So first of all, exit the sketch, select exit sketch, go to features, go to reference and select one plane. First select top plane, give a distance of 70 mm, that is given over here. Let's rotate it, select OK. Now let's select this plane, go to sketch and sketch. Let's select one point, give a point at this center point. Select OK. Now our point is created. So let's go to features. First exit the sketch, go to features, select Lofted boss base. The point is already selected. Let's rotate it. Now let's select this sketch. OK. Let's hide this plane first. Select hide. Now you can see one face of this triangular portion is a flat face. So now let's select this face, go to sketch and sketch. From this diagram you can see there is one rectangle which is 80 by 35 mm. So first let's select center rectangle, draw one rectangle from a center point, give a distance of 35 by 80 mm. Next let's select this line and make them collinear. Now let's select this point and the center point, make them vertical. Select OK. Select line, draw one line from these 2 points, draw another line from these 2 points, select OK. Now let's trim the outermost portion. Select trim, select power trim and trim this portion. OK. Now let's fully define this sketch. Select calculate. Select OK. Next go to features, select extruded boss base, extrude it up to distance of 15 mm, select OK. Now let's create one plane, go to reference, select plane, select this face and create one middle plane to mirror this triangular portion. So now let's select mirror, select this plane, select feature to mirror, select loft, select OK. Let's hide that plane. Okay. So now our 3D sketch is ready, and if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.